It was just a short break in transmission, interference from storms in the air. The receiver was blocked and so reception was stopped. Rest assured though, the signal's still there. It was just a detoured navigation, an off-road swerve you made a few miles back. But the wheels are still turning and the gears are engaged. Won't take much to get you right back on track. It was all just a moment's distraction, a timeout before you're back on the field. Yes, obstructionists block and opposers may mock, but you'll return to the game once you're healed. So to optimize your output as you plan your return, listen well, for it's a matter of subtraction. Your value, your vision, and your vitality too is your potential minus any obstruction.